Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all for Sri Hari Ravindra Academy. In today's class, we will be learning how to calculate future value. So, if you have not learned the concept of future value, then please go back to my first video and try to understand the concept of time value of money. And in the time value of money, please try to understand the concept of future value and present value. After learning the basics of time value of money, then you can come to this video for the calculation. Today, I will be teaching you how to calculate future value for lump sum amount. Come, let's start today's class. ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलास्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे नमस्ते शारदा देवी काश्मीरपुरवासिनी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. By taking the divine blessings of Hayagriva Swami and Saraswati Devi, let's start today's class. Yeah. Calculate the future value of rupees sum of 1000 if it is invested at 8% for a period of 1 year. So now before we begin it, we will start with the formula how to calculate future value for single payment. So future value will be calculated like this. Future value is equal to present value 1 plus r to the power of n. So here we will understand present value as of this problem is concerned. Calculate the future value of rupees sum 1000. That means that your 1000 will become your present value. Calculate the future value of sum of rupees 1000 if it is invested at 8%. So if today if you are investing 1000 at 8%, after 1 year, what is its value is been asked here. So my present value of money which I am making investment is 1000. So it is 1000. Then we need R. R is equal to 8% or it is also called as 0.08. So we will just substitute now. Future value is equal to present value is 1000. 1 plus what is rate of interest? 0.08 to the power of what is n? 1. N stands for number of years. So therefore future value equals 1000. 1.08 to the power of 1. So anything to the power of 1 will be 1.08. So after 1 year, the future value will be 1080 rupees. Getting my point? So if you are investing 1000 rupees today at the rate of 8%, after 1 year, you will have your 1000 rupees will become 1080 rupees. This is what is the first problem. Now we will try and go analyze with the second problem. Again, what is the problem says that calculate the compounding value. Compounding value is nothing but guys another name of future value. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, so calculate the compounding value of rupees 2000 if it is invested at 12% for a period of 2 years. So if today I am investing 2000 at 12%, now they are asking you to calculate future value after 2 years. Okay, future value after 2 years. So how do we calculate it? As simple as that. So my future value is equal to present value 1 plus r to the power of n. So now let me try and understand what is my present value. My present value is 2000 and my rate of interest is 12% or it can also be called as 0.12. Now my future value is equal to what is the present value that we identified? 2000. 1 plus what is the rate of interest? 0.12. For how many number of years that we are making investment? 2 years to the power of 2. So future value is equal to 2000 1 plus 1.2 to the power of 2. So therefore, future value is equal to 2000. 1.2 to the power of 2 will become 1.25. Hence, my future value is equal to 2508 rupees. This is the final answer, students. Okay. I hope you are getting everything. If there any doubt, you can please put it in the comment box so that I can able to clear your doubt also. Okay. Next, we will go ahead with the third problem now. Calculate the future sum of 25,000 if it is invested at 11% for 3 years. Again, students, please apply the same formula. Future value is equal to present value 1 plus r to the power of n. Now, what is my present value? My present value is equal to 25,000 and my r is equal to 11% and my n is equal to 3 years. So this is how I have to just go ahead. Now, yeah, now I will just write the substitute the formula. My future value is equal to what is my present value? 25,000 plus 1 plus what is rate of interest? 0.11, right? 0.11 to the power of 3. My future value is equal to 25,000. Now, what is 1 plus 0.11? 1 plus 0.11 will be 1.11 will be 1.11 to the power of 3. My future value is equal to 25,000. 1.11 into 1.11 into 1.11 will be 1.3676. 1.3676. So 25,000 multiplied by 1.3676. My future value will be 34,190. So this is how we calculate future value in the case of lump sum amount. So what is the formula, guys? Formula is very simple. If you want the formula, it is very simple. So how do we write the formula? Future value is equal to present value 1 plus r to the power of n. So what is this? The money that we are investing today. This stands for at what rate we are investing today, and n stands for how many years that we are investing for today. So by this, what we have learned is, in this video, we have learned how to calculate future value if at all if there is a lump sum payment. Lump sum stands for one-time deposit. If you can observe all the three problems, we are making deposit only one time. That's all. And we are evaluating what is this, what will this one-time deposit will have, how will this one-time deposit increases over a period of time with a percentage of interest and for number of years. That is what we are trying to learn. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Sri Hari Raghavendra Academy. Thank you, students.